Hey boys and girls, welcome to science. Last week we talked about how to describe and classify objects based on their physical properties. Today we are going to continue working on sorting objects based on their attributes. This is important because students need to know how to identify different objects. So, reminding you the different states of matter, you have solids that hold a shape right here. They have an actual shape. Liquids, they don't have a definite shape. They take up the shape that the container they're in. And a gas has shapes also, but it's not as visible. Like they take up the container just kind of like a liquid does, okay? Let's look at this picture of toys, all right? We're going to do a notice and wonder together. So while you are listening to me, go ahead and get out your science notebook, and we're going to do this after we listen to the video, okay? All right, so on this page is a picture of toys in a toy room. And I want you to think about what kinds of questions can be asked to help us sort these toys. Okay, there's lots of toys. So what questions can we ask ourselves to help us sort the toys? An example would be, does this toy make a noise? Maybe that could be one of the questions we would use to help us sort it. Because if the toy doesn't make noise, well, it wouldn't go in that section, right? So I want you to be thinking about what kinds of questions you can be asking to help sort the toys in this picture. I will meet you back on Zoom in a moment. Go ahead and get out your notebook, and I will see you momentarily.